Is the 2025 Honda CR-V actually worth your hard-earned money in a market flooded with compact SUV options? Today, we're taking a first look at Honda's sales champion to see if it still deserves the crown, or if competitors have finally caught up. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The compact crossover battlefield is more competitive than ever, and the 2025 Honda CR-V continues to be a major player starting at $31,450. But with rivals constantly upping their game, does Honda's bestseller still deliver the goods? Let's dive in. First impressions matter, and the CR-V's exterior design is handsome but conservative. The front grille is upright and purposeful, while the overall silhouette maintains that familiar CR-V shape we've known for years. It won't turn heads at the stoplight, but it's aged gracefully in a segment where some competitors try too hard with their styling. Pop the hood, and you'll find a 190 horsepower turbocharged 1.5-liter paired with a CVT, or the more impressive 204 horsepower hybrid option. The standard engine hits 60 in a modest 8.1 seconds with some CVT drone under hard acceleration, while the hybrid delivers better performance and fuel economy. Both come with front or all-wheel drive options to suit your needs. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that prioritizes function over flash. The honeycomb textured dashboard is a nice design touch that cleverly hides the air vents. The front seats are remarkably comfortable, clearly designed for those long road trips. Rear passengers aren't forgotten either, with generous legroom that beats the previous generation. Cargo space is another CR-V strong point. With 39 cubic feet behind the second row, you've got plenty of room for luggage, groceries, or whatever gear your lifestyle demands. The adjustable load floor adds versatility when you need it. Tech-wise, lower trims get a 7-inch touchscreen with physical knobs for volume and tuning, while the XL trim upgrades to a 9-inch display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is intuitive but not cutting-edge compared to some competitors. Where Honda doesn't compromise is safety. Every CR-V comes loaded with driver assistance features including automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. This comprehensive safety package gives the CR-V a significant edge over competitors that charge extra for similar features. Where this Honda truly shines is its ride quality. The suspension soaks up road imperfections beautifully while maintaining enough composure through corners to feel confident. It strikes that perfect balance between comfort and control that makes daily driving a pleasure rather than a chore. Fuel economy impresses with up to 28 city and 34 highway mpg for the gas model. Even all-wheel drive versions maintain a respectable 31 mpg highway in real-world testing. The hybrid pushes these numbers even higher if efficiency is your priority. So what's the verdict on this first look? The 2025 CR-V isn't trying to be the most exciting option in its class. Instead, it focuses on being the most well-rounded. While Mazda brings more driving excitement and Ford offers better off-roading capabilities, Honda delivers the complete package that most buyers in this segment actually need and use daily. If you're shopping for a compact SUV that expertly balances comfort, practicality, efficiency, and reliability, the CR-V deserves top consideration. It remains the benchmark for good reason. What do you think of the 2025 CR-V? Drop your thoughts below, subscribe for more first looks, and stay tuned for our next review. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.